What's up guys, so the Moto E6 has been announced. This has always been one of my favorite budget phones, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the design, as you can see, hasn't changed too much, especially on the front. On the back it does look a little bit different. They got rid of that sort of weird Motorola design that they put on the back. Sort of has a cleaner, candy bar looking design. So we do have the Snapdragon 435, which is nice. This is water repellent, which is awesome as well. Now this guy does have the Adreno 505 GPU and 2 GB of RAM, and it does have 16 GB of internal storage, and you can expand that via micro SD. So it is an LCD display at 720 by 1440 resolution, and it does have a 13 megapixel camera at 0.20, and the front facing camera did see a nice improvement with a 5 megapixel camera. Now they made a weird downgrade. The Moto E6 does have a 3000 milliamp battery in Android 9.0, but the Moto E5 had a 4000 milliamp battery, which is crazy. This guy will come at a price tag of $150, which I think is a little bit much for a phone with these specs. But what do you guys think? Will you guys pick one up? I would wait till it comes to like the prepaid carriers to pick one up, because it'll be significantly cheaper. So thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.